Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to make hand sanitizer for kids. So today you're going to need a bottle. It doesn't have to be the exact same, just a bottle. So you're going to open it up, fill it with water, put some soap. So once that is, shake it up. I already did it. Now we're going to get perfume. Add like 3 or 4 sprays. But I already added the perfume. So now we're going to close it up again and shake it. Maybe shake it about for 10 seconds. That should be good enough. So, once that is done, you can hand sanitizer. So, if you guys ran out of hand sanitizer and you just went to the store and you always put hand sanitizer, your kids can just come and yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications if it's able. And leave a comment if you can, because sometimes the comments are turned off. If you think this hack is good. So yeah, let me know in the comments if it's true. Or you can just follow me on Roblox or friend me. Leave your username in the comments if it's there. So yeah, bye guys.